what it currently looks like right now. 3:51, just a few minutes after I got off. The weather got even worse, and I guess several tornadoes have been spotted and have hit in this area. So the tornadoes have already started, and we're on the outer band of the hurricane. So I don't know what it's like at, near the eye of the storm, but if the outer band is already producing a lot of tornadoes, it's not a good sign. Wow. I didn't get it. I didn't film it, but I just drove through part of I-95 that apparently, I think a tornado went through it. I'm currently near Port St. Lucie. There were all sorts of alerts going off for tornadoes, and the sheriff's department, or the sheriff's storage facility in Port St. Lucie got hit. Building collapsed on their equipment, all their vehicles and stuff. But I was on I-95 and noticed trees all over the place, and then looked and saw that they were all snapped like toothpicks. Yeah, and there were debris all over the road. Managed to get through it. Luckily, there were no big debris right on the traffic, on the road. A lot of the water areas around here look like they're about to overflow, and the hurricane's not even here yet. See, we're getting ready to pass Martin Highway. You see the little lakes here? It's up very high. And I saw some, how they have the little ponds and the little rivers and stuff, the little canals behind the housing. A lot of them, they were overflowing, and the water was, heading up the people's yards towards their houses. And you can see this area here where I'm at. I'm heading, the storm's moving northeast. I'm heading south, so I'm heading out of the storm. So you can see the rain and stuff that we had earlier, which did get worse for a while, has kind of gone away. It goes on and off because the way a hurricane works is that, it moves in there's bands. It's like a giant tornado, basically. So there's bands of rain and wind that hit, and when it does, you get all that rain and wind and really strong gusts. But with those bands and stuff come tornadoes. That is the reason I evacuated from my house. It just doesn't feel right. It feels like this storm, even though it'll only be a Category 1 by the time it passes over my area, I think it's bringing a lot of, I don't know if you can see the car here, it's being blown off the road here. But it's bringing a lot of tornadoes. You can see, I don't know if you saw the downed tree over there. There's some more broken trees here. So those branches, and there's some more downed trees. I don't know if they're just down from the wind or the tornadoes that have been sighted in this area. I'm going to go ahead and sign off for now. Try to keep you guys posted.